Okay, so hey everybody, welcome in this channel. And right now, just I'm starting the session. Wait. So yeah, I think that now I am audible properly. And okay, for now I'm just starting the UI UX, and you already know that. So past 2 days I'm doing it, and now I just downloaded the lectures. So okay, back to the work. And by the way, for learning the UI UX, I'm following the basic YouTube channel. So there are the many channels and many resources are available now. It's depend on us whether which channels we need to follow it. And I think that it's almost 9 minutes and I started the session. And I thought that to spend my 2 hours for learning the UI UX would be the better option, or I can say the better investment, because if you are the someone who loves the designing and the coloring, giving the proper structures, or learning how the exactly the apps websites are look like, or we can say that uh, uh, thinking about the models, how we can able to give the structures, like the how the apps and websites whenever we open in the cell phone, or whether that same website when we open in a when we will open in iPad or the website, so how it will look like. So this all the stuff that we want to learn. So for now, just I'm starting the session and my work. By the way, let me know in the comment section, like what all of you are doing, right? Many of you having the college today. And by the way, today just I taking the holiday, as I told you that I going to take the holiday Thursday, Friday. Thursday we already they already provided the holidays due to the festival, and then Friday I taken, and Saturday the college is already closed, and then Sunday we having a holiday. Then directly I want to go for attending the lecture on Monday. So yeah, so today just I taking the holiday because I have a lot of work, and I also decided that I want to start my day from 1:30 p.m. to till the night, from 12:25 p.m. like from 12:30 p.m. to till night. So I want to have a lot of works to do. So by the way, let me know in the comment section if you are at home, so what are you doing right now, if you are doing any studies, and if you are the bachelor student, so what is your stack. These are all the questions I have, so please let me know in the comment section. I'm opening my screen and starting my work. Okay, by the way, let me check that am I audible properly or not. So there is lot of background voice, I know that, so I wish that it's not interrupting you that much, because I thought that this is the best place to focus on the study. So yeah, for now just I am starting my work. And so far just I learned how to use the Figma, or whether there are any other tools that I can able to use it. And if I want to make the website, and if I want to design something, so I just this past 2 days I'm just doing the research, like which tools can help me to complete my work. Like if I am learning the designing, so which tools can able to help me to complete the work in a fastest way without wasting the time. So far just I collected the resource about the UI UX, and also at the same time with the lecture I'm also making the notes. So for now just I want to go in a deep, like how to use the Figma, because I know, once again I'm repeating that. See, I believe that if you want to learn the UI UX, there are the many tools. There are many tools, but I think that the Figma is the best one from all of them, because it's also free. There are the maybe there will be the paid parts, but paid section as well, but I didn't did it that much research, because currently just I'm using the whatever the free tools are provided in the Figma. So currently I'm just using that. But I think that the choosing the Figma for learning the UI UX, it would be the better option. And okay, now back to the work. I am owning my screen, and if you have any questions you can able to ask me. I will definitely going to reply you. So far just I learned what is the material 3 design kit. By the way, material 3 design kit, I didn't aware about that, what exactly this is. Then I came to know that this is also a website, where we can able to check, and there are many things in this Figma. So I am starting my lecture, and if you have any questions you can able to ask with me in the comment section. And by the way, if I want to learn anything, I'm normally following the YouTube videos, YouTube lectures. I think that we if you want to go in the tech field, so in YouTube there is the enough resource are provided. You don't need to be doing research and all. And if you want to go in the advanced, and if you want to get the certification, so just learn the stuff how the freely available, then give the test, and then with the help of your test score you will get this certification. So okay, this is by the way, this is 11 hours lecture. And I almost completed 1 hour 48 minutes lecture from past, like yesterday I completed 48 minutes lecture, and now I want to complete the 1 hour of the lecture. So almost 2 hour and 48 minutes of the lectures I'm going to cover today. And so it's not that much difficult, but the concept is very deep in UI UX. See how much we need to understand about the system, like how each and everything looks, whether the topic goes to, if we're talking about the UI, we think that everything is simple, easy, but giving this much structure, like when we don't aware about what exactly AI is, and everything is depend on us, so giving the proper structure is completely different. But now see the process how it become familiar. Once we need to give the design, and after that the second one, and then the third one. This is how our UI whole process is. for now just I'm muting myself. It will be a better option because there is a lot of background voice. By the way, if you have any questions, you can able to ask with me in the comment section. And because this noise are interrupting both of us, so Tejas, hello Didi, hello, welcome in this channel. If you are new, so very welcome. And currently I am learning the UI UX uh, with with the help of lecture video. So yeah, uh, if you have any questions, you can able to ask with me, ask to me, and I'm definitely going to reply you whenever I see your comment. And okay, for now just I'm muting myself because there is very interrupting voice. And I will talk with you at 1 p.m. what is a fidelity. Like there are the two types. First is the high, low, and just okay. There is the question: do AIML? So see, the reason why I'm not doing AIML, see, AI we can able to create it, right? We can able to make the AIs using the other AI APIs, and also writing the code of the Python. It's depend on us whether what is our stack is using that particular stack. We can able to make the AIs, right? So I'm interested in AI, and I don't in reality I don't aware about the ML. So like machine learning I'm talking about, and I'm like I want to go deep in the AI, means I want to learn the how to use the AI tools, and like how many AI tools are if I want to complete my specific work. Just like few minutes ago, just I came to know about the one AI, which you know what, sometimes we facing the difficulties while learning the English, so we just need to write our text, and the AI will be first of all correct our sentence. I know that the ChatGPT can also able to do that. You definitely going to say that, but at the same time, ChatGPT not creating the voice message, so that AI will converting our text into the voice message, and then we can able to listen it. It's not learning the AI tools. Okay, so whether you are talking about like and we need to learn, that will not lead you a job. Yeah, exactly. See, yeah, like you talking about, right, to like to make the AIs, right, how AI to create the AI by own, right, just like we making the normal websites and all. So yeah, we can able to do that, but right now I'm just a beginner. First of all, I want to polish my stack, then I need to think about it with the help of stacks, what things that I can able to implement. So then I want to start the implementation. But for now, if if I, if we are making the website, there are the many videos available on the YouTube or everywhere where we can um, the peoples are making, others YouTubers are making the clown of the chat. This is what I'm talking about, because in as a beginner, and right now I don't know how we can able to make the AIs, or if I'm sending the giving the input, so how the output will be generated. Comprehensive AI for beginners. Okay, so what I'm talking about in this scenario, yeah, no, but see, AI is created by the human being, but I'm the beginner, so I can't able to create that. I can't able to make the ChatGPT, because I don't know what are the features they used. But there are the many I'm trying to say you that there are many videos available on the app. Actually, you are just clueless. By the way, let me know in which year you are in. I thought that the yesterday you came in the live session, right? Okay, you are in the 4th year. That is cool. Compulsory AIML for beginners. Okay, from IIT Kharagpur. Great. By the way, I don't know about what is compulsory AIML for beginners. Yeah, I got that. With the several AIML resources for the beginners with the primary focus in Excel 1 data science mentorship program for those who want to structure industry focused and hand-on learning experience. They also provide the self-awareness. Okay, that this is literally amazing because whatever the video I have seen on the YouTube, whatever they starting, they never completing that topics very deeply. Just they starting as a beginner level and then they don't post that video properly. By the way, I literally sorry about this, all the interrupting voice, but I can't do anything. Okay, what is this training about? By the way, currently I am learning the UI UX, and my all this training is based on the tech field, and I'm the beginner. Currently, I'm in the second year, and okay, sure. By the way, thank you, Raghav, for this resource. Let me save it somewhere. Specific skills generating AI using the Google Gemini, web scraping for the data science, fast API for machine learning, deep learning for computer vision. Okay, which college? So I belong to lower than tier 3 college. Uh, I definitely going to show you my college once I reach the 1K subscriber because I belongs to very like I belongs to lower than tier 3 college, so I just have a basic knowledge, but I don't want to spend my time in the college because I know that at the ending of the years I'm not going to get the enough thing. So that's why I thought that the learning from anything by own or collecting the information through the strangers, it helped me a lot to collect the resource and complete it as soon as possible. Demands will be more in the future 5 years. Yeah, exactly, you are correct. By the way, is this the correct website which I opened? They also having the YouTube channel. But it has a very less opening for the freshers role. Yeah, I saw that. By the way, sorry, the background voice is too much loud. Okay, let me decrease the voice, background noise. Okay, and 100 days of ML. Yeah, I saw that there are the many videos based on the 100 days course, right? Okay, Campus 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 X has a YouTube channel only. Okay, through the Google I got their YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, they having the Yeah, I got it. Wait, let me share this channel link as well as in the comment section, so it will be also helpful for others. Wait, let me paste this. Nowadays, most opening for the remote interns for are for the web development. Okay, I'm pasting. Okay, wait. Okay, that is much easy to learn the compare to the AIML. That is much easy to learn compared to the AIML. Yeah, exactly. If anybody needed that channel link, so I've just pasted in the comment section. So it also useful for others. By the way, Raghav, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I literally respect your time. Just you came in the session. It will be very helpful for me. Okay, by the way, Mike, you asked it the song name, right? So I just pasted the song name. You can able to search it on the YouTube. There are the many songs. Some of them are mixed, and many of the songs are edited. So you can able to choose which one you want, and also give 2 hours daily to the DSA. Wait. Otherwise, you will be in the trouble during the placement season. Yeah, I get it. I started DSC, and now I'm doing the binary tree topic. By the way, Raghav, I have a one question. Like, learning UI UX is useful or not? Please help me. Like, as a senior, just I'm asking you one. Like, you are the senior, so I'm just asking you one question. Please let me know, learning UI UX is helpful in the future or not? Yeah, binary tree. Yes. Yeah, currently I'm doing binary tree. Okay, from how much time you are doing? So see, every day I watch the 5 lectures of DSA, and from from past 45 days I started DSA. See, let me tell you what the topics which I covered. For now, just I completed the basic topics like flowchart, variable data operators, conditional statement, loops, pattern, function method. Okay, pattern advanced array, basic sorting, array string, bit manipulation, oops, recursion, divide and conquer, time complexity, and backtracking, arrays, linked list, and again linked list part 2, then stack, quizzes. You are doing the DSA in the wrong way. I thought that this all of the basics, so I thought to complete this first. Please let me know what is the right way to do the DSA. Are you just watching the videos? Yeah, see, in this lecture video there is the theoretical parts, and at the same time she was also explaining the code. So, and at the same time I'm also making the notes. Please let me know in the comment section what is the right way to do the DSA. Okay, sorry, I don't have any idea about the UI UX. None of my friends did it, so I no idea about that. I thought the reason why I choose to do the UI UX, because whenever when the topic comes to edit the thumbnail, I face the many difficulties, and I thought that if I want to give the proper user interface design, so that's why I started learning the UI UX. See, whenever I complete the topic, so after that uh, based on that topic, I try to solve the question on lead code. Solve 15 questions after covering the each topic. Let's say you completed linked list, then do 15 questions before jumping to the next topic. Okay, sure. Let me tell you the truth. Once I completed the topics loops, so just I solved 3 questions on lead code, and then again I moved to the another topic. Okay, then that means this is the mistake I'm making over here, right? So that I need to solve at least 15 questions after completing each topic. This will take a year to complete the DSA, but will be that will be a much better the way than the way you are doing right now. Exactly, you are correct, because I'm after completing the topic, just I'm solving the three questions. Okay, literally, I'm going to keep in the mind. So first I want to complete the topic, and after that I need to solve the 15 questions. In my third semester I also tried to cover all the topics, but that will not lead to any result. Okay, sure, I definitely going to keep this in my mind. Okay, then after completing the topic, not only the me, if anyone is watching this session and currently in the first year or the second year, so if you are doing the DSA, so after completing the topic, solve the 15 question as per the Raghav recommended in the comment section. Okay, and don't look at the solution immediately. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. This all the things. Let me take the screenshot. Okay, A to Z shit is good. Wait, let me search it. Okay, exactly. Before jumping to the solution, otherwise it will be all be the waste of time. Yeah, exactly. I can able to get you. By the way, thank you very much for your time, and your recommendation was literally helped me a lot, and now I have all of my doubts are clear. not watching the solution before you full efforts in the cures that may do not do the struggle to solve any problems. Yeah, exactly, you are correct. UI UX is just for the designing thumbnail, literally not worth it. Instead of put your efforts into the something that give you money, like the web development, much better than the UI UX for tier 3. Yeah, exactly, you are correct, but I thought that in January there is so many options in open source where I can able to apply as a UI UX designer, because I think that the using the tools, AI tools like the Figma, Midjourney, and the Pharma AI helps to generate the design quickly. But you know, but human designs are needed for understanding the research user pain point. Will be help not to the replace. Okay, the future of UI is not just a website and app. Web, yeah, okay. okay, focus on two things, and the first begin DSA and others you choose on your own. Okay, so yeah, just okay. So I'm sure that I want to do the DSA because it's the long term, and at the same time I will go for the Swift.
Like connecting means like user would click on get started, show some screen, there they will click on something, then it will move to the next screen, and so this particular flow is called as a prototyping. And Figma gives you the ability to create to make transition between screens, and also it will look high fidelity prototype itself. So make yourself friends with Figma or Sketch, whichever the application, design application that is there to serve your purpose. And not, let me go back to the previous email. So there are plugin for the contrast. What I'm writing contrast. Yeah. So here's the plugin. So this plugin makes our life much more easier. So if I click on any particular thing, it actually recognizes the color of that element as well as on what background it is, and it gives us the this particular contrast ratio. Okay. So as per the guidelines, this is worldwide guidelines, not iOS, not Android. Some agency worldwide have provided some of the guidelines for the better contrast. Okay. So the threshold is 4.5. Okay. So even if you see, you can see this gray and white, but it is still not accessibility wise good. Okay. So if you want to provide it, make it more accessible, you might want to go see if you can see as soon as I'm changing the color, the contrast. This is worldwide guidelines, not iOS, not Android. It gives us the yeah. So here's the plugin.
Okay, there is the question like college. So yeah, current I'm I'm from Maharashtra, so and I belongs to Tier 3 college. I think that is also the lower than Tier 3 college, and I'm doing a Bachelor of Engineering, and currently I'm in a second year. So if you are asking that I'm from which college, so my college is lower than Tier 3. Maybe you can't able to get it in Google as well. So I definitely going to everyone. Many of you are asking my college, so I definitely going to show all to everyone my college. Just once I reached 1K subscribers, so just I'm going to on this live session in the front of the college in college campus, and I will live over there. So I'm going to show you how my college look like, faculty, students, everything. Just let me just let me reach 1K subscribers, so I will definitely going to show you everyone my college, how it's look like, how beautiful it was, how much opportunities are there, and many more stuff. Okay, by the way, you can able to see that. Wait, let me show you. See how it's looking. Just it's look like any kid has made the given some design, and it's completely looking like a kid, like just kid, the someone who is just starting the UI UX, learning the design. By the way, this is iPhone 16 fame, and I tried to just give the this Android features over here this way. So I, but it's kind of confusing, and also it's taking a lot of time. But it's important if you want to learn the some things, something. And I came to know that the UI UX is helpful if you want to go in the designing field, and with learning the AI tools, it's helpful for. And in Figma there is also the AI option. It's completely updated, so that's why I'm using the Figma, because there are the many new features are there now as compared to another one, because I have seen the old videos, past videos, that there are more much different than as compared to now. And yes, don't give you a lot of time to learning the UI UX designing as well, because focusing on the stack, it will be more important. And just wait. Okay, I am back now. And by the way, there is the comment. Okay, can you guide me to I'm also gonna start the designing soon. And yes, the reason I muted myself. Okay, now back to the topic. So you are the beginners, and yeah, as well as I'm also the beginners. The topic is not all about the beginners. The main topic is that you are the beginners. That is super cool, exciting. That but see, what truly matters, that are you sure that you want to learn? You have to give your time, and you need to invest your time if you want to learn something. So you need to invest your time for that. And this is truly important, that if you want to learn something, so contribution is important. So first of all, think about that, what exactly you want to do, right? What you want to learn. once you make sure that, then just start it. Because there's if you are in your bachelor's or in your second year, third year, so we don't have a time to think too much. Just choose any one of the career and select any one of the stacks and start working on that. This is what for far very long, this is what I know. The first year just I wasted the exploring and and just overthinking that. And many of, if we belongs to the lower colleges, so we don't have that much support, because we don't have the if we see the seniors well focused, all of them are focusing on their work and all, so we also feel like that exactly how she or he is are doing that, let me ask with them. But if we don't have the seniors, they are just wasting their time, so we don't feel like the inspiration. So that's why if someone's or if the student like me who belongs to the lower tier college, so they never get the inspired, okay. So we always feel stuck or the uh, like we are losing, we feeling like that. So this is what something happening with me. So I thought that it's almost 2025 is going to be finished, the only the 19 days, 90 days are left, 90 days are left. We only have the few days in our hand. So instead of wasting this all the days, it's much better if we learn some cool stuff and get some placed in, like till January to February, get some placed. Literally sorry for this lot of the background voice. You already know that if you belongs to the this kind of the environment, so this voice is used as a background sound. Okay, let's back to the topic. What is real question is that we have a, like we almost have a 3 months left, okay, learning anything, improving on the basic stack, okay, working on the basic stack. If consistently, if we giving our 5 to 6 hour daily for any particular stuff, so I am make sure that we can able to make it, okay. I'm not talking about the long term work, just the DSA and all, because just few minutes ago only, someone told that if topic comes to talking about the DSA, so DSA almost take the 1 year, as he told, and exactly he was correct. Because uh, DSA is the long term investment, it's not that much easy. Many of are making the video that I completed the DSA within a 6 month. So we need to give at least 10 hours for it. And if we are the college student currently in the second year or the first year, or the third year almost students are doing the internship and all, but I'm talking about the first year and second year students. So we after the academic, after attending the lecture, we don't get a time to do anything, to do any other stuff while at home, because you already know that we having a lot of assignment and work, which is not going to make the sense at the end. Because if we belongs to the, I have just compared our studies as compared to the different college students. They also have the academic, but you know what, they having the good teammates, uh, a proper supportive classmates. This is what important, that someone is in your class, sitting sitting with you, and you know that the person is learning this tech and he or she was good in this, so why not me, so let me also try the same. But if we belongs to the college where the scenario is some all are the in their different topic, different story, so what we here, I feel like that I don't want to attend the college, because I'm not learning anything after just reaching there. So that's why as you told that you can guide me too, so what I want to say, first of all, just select that what kind of the topics or the project you want to work in the future, what is your future company, just at least just select that, or what is the interview question they asked, what kind of the stacks candidates they select a most, then just choose that stack and start working on that. This is what the roadmap I have, and I think that I also want to follow it that same. any of you having any questions, you can able to ask me. Right now just I am doing the UI UX. Let me show you the design. You definitely going to laugh at me. See how this look like any senior KG kid, or the any small student from first to second grade just made this. So it's literally funny, but right now I'm not using the mouse, so that's why this design is, I thought to, this is the fame of iPhone 16, and this design I'm just copying in my from my Android phone. And yeah, definitely it's not pretty good, it's exactly the worst, but I just want to improve, and i just I want to uh, know that in Figma how we selecting the colors. Then I came to know that from here we can able to choose the colors, and even we can able to change it in the layer wise. And there are the many features in the Figma, and as a beginner many of the features are just like this. So as a beginner I am okay, copy the properties, we can have also able to copy that. So this, if I just copy this, so it will be very time saving. Let me try what is the command for if I want to copy something. Optional command C. Okay, option command C. Now okay, C, copy properties, and command not what happened. mm, this is helping for rotation. There are the many features which I don't know. What is this? Okay, let me change the color first. So this is what I can use. So yeah, I think that it's for the background. I thought that using this pencil I can able to write something. What is the brush and the pen? Yeah, there are the many features in UI. There, see, wait. I don't know when now, and it just I accidentally clicked on the shorts. And okay, yes. So from with the help of 1 hour 10 hours lecture, there are the 10-hour lecture for only for the Figma. So you can able to understand that the how much there are many features in the Figma that we can able to do it. And if you want that lecture video, so let me share this in the comment section if any of you are learning the UI UX. By the way, there are the many features. First of all, let me check, am I audible or not? Okay, so yeah, I'm pasting the link which I'm following to learn the UI UX. So it maybe it will be also helpful for you if anyone you are interested in the UI UX. And okay, for now just I'm back to the lecture. And by the way, you can able to see my design. By the way, this purple color is looking worst. Let me change it. But how I can? Wait, first me back here. Select this purple, and I don't want this. Okay, now fine.